Hey everyone, Peter McKinnon here. Let's talk Reels. They're everywhere, right? And for good reason. In 2025, short-form video is king. People are scrolling, they're engaged, and they're hungry for content that pops. That's where you come in. Think about it. Millions of users are spending hours on social media every single day. That's a huge audience for your creativity. But here's the catch. You gotta grab their attention. And you gotta do it fast. That's why editing is more important than ever. A well-edited reel is like a perfectly crafted story. It's engaging, it's memorable, and it leaves people wanting more. So are you ready to take your reels to the next level? Let's dive in. Now you might be thinking, Peter, I'm no editing wizard, don't worry, I got you. Remember those sci-fi movies with super smart computers? That future is now. We've got AI tools that can help you create killer reels, even if you're just starting out. Imagine this. You type in a few keywords about your reel and boom! AI generates catchy captions and even suggests relevant hashtags. Tools like copy.ai are absolute game changers for this. But wait, there's more! AI can also help you find the perfect images and backdrops for your reels. Platforms like Midjourney and DALL-E are like having a personal artist on demand. Just describe what you need and they'll create stunning visuals in seconds. And the best part? Adobe Premiere is already integrating these AI tools directly into its platform. That means you can edit smarter, not harder. From automated editing suggestions to AI-powered effects, the possibilities are endless. Alright, let's talk timing. We live in a world of instant gratification, right? People want their information fast and furious. That's why short-form video is so powerful. But even within the world of short-form, there's a sweet spot. On Instagram, aim for reels that are between 7 and 15 seconds long. That's enough time to hook your viewers and leave them wanting more. TikTok is a bit more forgiving, with the ideal length falling between 11 and 17 seconds. But hey, rules are meant to be broken, right? If you've got a killer story to tell, don't be afraid to experiment with longer reels, especially if you're creating educational content or explainer videos. Just remember, keep it snappy and engaging, no matter the length. You know what separates a good reel from a great one? The audio. The right track can make your content instantly more engaging, relatable, and even shareable. Think about it. How many times have you found yourself humming a catchy tune from a reel you saw earlier? So, where do you find these audio gems? Instagram is your best friend. Start by exploring the Reels tab and paying attention to the music that other creators are using. Follow the official creators account for a curated feed of trending sounds. Don't be afraid to think outside the Instagram box either. TikTok and YouTube are goldmines for trending audio. Keep your ears peeled for catchy songs, sound effects, and even voiceovers that you can incorporate into your reels. Remember, the key is to choose audio that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. When in doubt, go with your gut. Alright, let's fire up Premiere Pro and bring those reels to life. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it seems. Follow these steps and you'll be editing like a pro in no time. First things first, gather your video clips and that killer audio track you found. Import them into Premiere Pro and you're ready to roll. Think of a sequence as the canvas for your reel. Make sure it matches the resolution and frame rate of your footage. For Instagram Reels, that's typically 1080 by 1920 resolution and a frame rate of 24 or 30 frames per second. Now it's time to marry your visuals with that awesome audio. Drag and drop your audio track onto the timeline, then carefully align it with your video clips. Premiere Pro has handy tools to help you sync everything perfectly. Here's where the real fun begins. Premiere Pro is jam-packed with effects, transitions, and color correction tools to take your reels to the next level. Experiment with different looks and styles until you find what works best for your brand. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to export. Choose the H.264 codec and a resolution of 1080 by 1920 for optimal Instagram Reels quality. Section 6. Trending now. Level up your reels with these hot tips. Now that you've got the technical stuff down, let's talk about content. What's hot in the world of reels? Here are a few trends to watch out for. Video memes. Everyone loves a good meme, right? Take trending memes and put your own unique spin on them, aligning them with your brand's voice and humor. POV videos. Put your viewers in the driver's seat with point of view, or POV videos. These are great for showcasing relatable situations, experiences, or even just a day in your life. Don't forget to add some text overlays to enhance the storytelling. Send this to Reels. Encourage engagement and sharing by creating Reels that people will want to send to their friends. Think funny, relatable, or even slightly controversial content that sparks conversation. Section 7. Instagram optimization from hashtags to SEO. Make your Reels shine. Creating awesome Reels is just the first step. You also want to make sure they're seen by the right people. That's where Instagram optimization comes in. First up, hashtags. Think of them as keywords that help people discover your content. Use a mix of relevant and trending hashtags to reach a wider audience. But here's a pro tip. Don't just stuff your captions with hashtags. Instead, use Instagram's new feature that allows you to add hashtags as a separate comment after you've posted your reel. This keeps your captions clean and engaging. Next, let's talk about SEO or search engine optimization. Believe it or not, you can optimize your reels for search just like you would a website. Use relevant keywords in your captions, subtitles, and even your Instagram bio. Section 8. The power of community. Embrace user-generated content. Remember, you don't have to create all the content yourself. One of the most powerful trends in social media is user-generated content, or UGC. This is content created by your followers, fans, and customers. Why is UGC so effective? Because it's authentic, relatable, and it builds a sense of community around your brand. Encourage your followers to share their own reels related to your brand or products. Run contests and challenges to incentivize participation. And don't forget to show your appreciation. Repost your favorite UGC reels on your own page, giving credit to the original creators. This not only makes your followers feel valued but also provides you with a constant stream of fresh and engaging content. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to Reel Mastery starts now. So there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from AI-powered editing tools to the latest content trends. Remember, the key to Reel Mastery is to experiment, have fun, and stay true to your brand's voice. Don't be afraid to try new things, embrace the power of community, and most importantly, keep creating. The world is your oyster, and with the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can achieve anything. Now go out there and make some magic. I can't wait to see what you create.